Let's be honest, aging isn't always graceful. There are things that happen to our bodies and habits we pick up that no one warned us about. And sometimes, these things are, well, a little ugly. Take John, a 74-year-old retired postman from Chicago. He laughed when his daughter told him, "Dad, you're turning into a grumpy old man." But deep down, he realized some of the changes in his mood, his body, and even his daily habits weren't making him feel like the man he used to be. If you've noticed yourself doing certain things that you'd rather not admit, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll talk about 5 ugly things seniors often do as they age, the things no one tells you, and, most importantly, how to handle them with wisdom and grace. Number 1. Becoming more negative. As we age, aches and pains creep in, the world changes faster than we like, and sometimes we feel left out. Many seniors fall into the trap of complaining about the weather, politics, healthcare, or even their family. The problem? Constant negativity can push away the very people we want close to us. The fix? Practice gratitude. Each day, write down 3 small things you're thankful for. Maybe it's your morning cup of coffee, a call from a grandchild, or the sunshine through your window. Gratitude doesn't erase problems, but it balances the mind and keeps the heart lighter. Number 2, neglecting personal hygiene. This is one of those things few people will say out loud, but it's real. As energy dips, some seniors skip showers, wear the same clothes too long, or forget simple grooming. But hygiene is not just about looking good. It's about preventing infections, boosting self-confidence, and keeping dignity. The fix? Make hygiene part of your routine like brushing your teeth. If mobility is an issue, use a shower chair or dry shampoo. Ask your family to help set up an easy-to-manage grooming station at home. Number 3, hoarding and clutter. Have you noticed seniors sometimes hold on to every newspaper, plastic container, or broken gadget? It comes from growing up in times when resources were scarce, but clutter can become unsafe, leading to falls, stress, and even health hazards. The fix? Take it one drawer or shelf at a time. Donate what you don't need. Keep only items that truly serve you or bring joy. Remember, letting go of stuff often makes space for peace. Number 4, ignoring new technology. Technology can feel overwhelming, so many seniors simply give up. The problem? It can lead to isolation. Grandkids are texting and video chatting, but without a smartphone or tablet, seniors miss out on connection. The fix? Don't be afraid to ask for help. Most libraries, community centers, even churches offer free tech lessons for seniors. Start small. Learn how to video call or send a photo. It's not about keeping up with every app. It's about staying connected to the people you love. And number 5, withdrawing from social life. One of the ugliest and most dangerous habits of aging is slowly disappearing from life. Seniors stop going out, avoid gatherings, and spend too much time alone. This isolation isn't just sad, it's linked with depression, memory loss, and shorter lifespan. The fix? Stay involved. Join a senior walking group, volunteer once a week, or simply call an old friend. Even a short conversation can lift your mood and keep your spirit alive. Story wrap-up. Remember John, the retired postman from Chicago? He realized he was slipping into some of these habits, complaining too much, avoiding technology, and keeping piles of clutter in his garage. But with small steps, practicing gratitude, asking his grandson to teach him FaceTime, and cleaning out one box each week, he started to feel more like himself again. He learned that aging doesn't have to mean ugly. It can mean wiser, freer, and more intentional. So friends, which of these 5 habits have you noticed in yourself or in someone you love? The first step is awareness, and the next step is action. Try tackling just one of these areas this week, Maybe it's smiling more instead of complaining, or calling a friend you haven't spoken to in a while. And please, share this video with a senior friend or family member. Sometimes a gentle reminder can make a difference of world. Don't forget to subscribe to Elder Soul for more honest, science-backed conversations about aging with grace, health, and happiness. Because aging is inevitable, but how we do it, that's in our hands.